What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, the kind people over at UAG was kind enough to send me out the Plasma and the Plasma Xte for the s24 ultra, but this is a dummy unit. But anyways, let's pull them up real quick so you can see how much these two cases will cost you. This is the OG Plasma right here, and this is Plasma Xte. I believe this is a newer style case. I don't remember this case for the iPhone, so I believe this is a newer style case. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we all know what the OG Plasma looks like. You know, I used to rock the Plasma case on all my old devices back in the day. So pretty much, first let's unbox the Plasma. Like I said, this is an OG case. These cases have 16 feet drop protection, but we all know what this case looks like. I just love it because it looks like it's ice, that plasma color, that ice. I really like this. So pretty much you just place your s24 ultra in like so, looking and feel, you know, in that clear color. Man, that just looks like ice to me. Ice baby right there. But anyways, you do get a nice cutout for your cameras. You do not have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table on the cameras. You are good to go. You do get some kind of grip here, ridges here for grip protection. You know, we all know what this case looks like and feels like. This is, like I said, one of their OG cases. This Plasma case series has been around for ages, and overall it just looks nice. Fits nice, fits like a glove. You do get a nice lip at the top for if you place your phone flat down on the table. I know you'll be good to go, but if you want even more protection, you can drop a screen protector on there and you'll be even better protected. You do get your buttons. They are kind of tough to push, but everything is there. Everything lines up perfectly as it should. This case will run you $44.95. This does also look cool, man, and it also has that kickstand for your MagSafe wireless charging. I like that. This is nice. So this is the Plasma, and this is the Plasma Xte. This really looks good. It's like a black smoke color. Place your s24 ultra in like so, and this is what you're gonna get. Man, this really looks nice. Like I said, UAG, they know what they're doing when they're making cases. This gives you the exact same look, exact same feel as the Plasma, but this just adds a little bit more style. When you turn it on to the back, you get that MagSafe kickstand so you can do your videos, so you can type if you want to, or you can watch your videos, or you can watch movies. But man, overall these cases are amazing. I like the way this looks and feels. So if you're out there and you are picking up an s24 ultra, I do recommend you pick up the Plasma and the Plasma Xte. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.